Vicky, leave me alone.
I'll leave you alone the minute you let me start screwing the milk woman.
We broke up.
Stop it. Oh no, of that I'm so scared.
Why can't you just leave?
Nope.
Great. You broke all the plates. Are you gonna leave now?
Oh, I remember this glass when we made it together.
You know what it means to me?
That was a simple hard
And
valve!
now it's broken!
Like mine!
You get